Now the jury is deliberating in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial. You're taking a live look outside the New York City courthouse, where Trump's fate could be decided at any moment. NBC's Bree Jackson has been staying on top of this trial. She has the latest now from Washington.
The jury deliberated for about 4.5 hours without reaching a verdict Wednesday. And before heading home for the day, they did ask to rehear certain testimony. Jurors reconvened today in the first criminal trial of an American president, former President Trump. During day one of deliberations, they asked to rehear portions of testimony, including from the very first witness, former tabloid publisher David Pecker.
And it also did ask for some testimony from Michael Cohen, which suggests that they didn't write off his testimony as the defense asked them to do.
The jury also wants Judge Juan Merchan to reread his jury instructions.
They want to understand the fine legal points of the law, and this is not unusual.
The judge directed the jury to set aside any biases for or against Mr. Trump, who claims this case is election interference.
I mean, what is very unfair is that I'm not campaigning in this room all day long.
President Biden and Vice President Harris were on the campaign trail Wednesday, making their pitch to black voters in Pennsylvania.
Kamala and I are President and Vice President of the United States because of you. That's not hyperbole.
Biden painting his political rival as a threat to democracy.
He calls insurrectionists who stormed the Capitol patriots. Patriots. What do you think would have happened if black Americans had stormed the Capitol?
Trump's legal fate is now in the hands of 12 jurors. Both presidential candidates are using his legal woes to make their case for re-election. Voters will have the final say this November. And if convicted, former President Trump faces anything from probation to prison time. And even if he is found guilty, Trump can still be elected president. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.